Hi friends, my name is Umair and you are watching UT Info. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then please subscribe and press bell icon to get all updates. Today our important topic is disappearing jobs that won't exist in 2030. Technology is moving at an increasingly fast pace with every facet of our lives now linked intrinsically to microchips in one way or another. While this might all be in the name of progress, it's also having a negative effect on many traditional careers which are increasingly becoming automated. There are already warning signs. A 2015 study by Foundation for Young Australians found that nearly 60% of young people in the country were studying or training for occupations where at least two-thirds of jobs that will be automated by the next decade or so. This is a huge waste of skills. The number one is travel agent. There was once a time when booking your summer getaway to Malaga was a case of popping into a travel agency on a Saturday afternoon, skimming through a few brochures and having a cherry sales rep put the whole thing together on an oversized computer. Now, with the abundance of easy to use comparison websites, anybody can arrange their own holiday. All you need is your bank card and a few spare hours to research your destination. With the likes of Skyscanner, Trivago and Opodo tailoring flight and hotel searches to your exact price and data range. Many travel operators have realized this and are closing down branches to focus on their online offers. There are still plenty of other opportunities in the wider travel industry though. The number two is cashier. There has been increased talk in the last few years about the reality of a cashless society with advances in contactless payments, Apple Pay, and even cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin becoming premium within mainstream society. While not everyone is on board, with some preferring to still use cash to better track their spending, one thing is for sure: the requirement for people to handle the payments is no more. Number 3 is fast food cook. With fast food chains wanting to operate at a lower cost, automation could be imminent in the future. Indeed, according to a 2013 study, fast food workers face an 81% chances of automation. Fast food cooks in particular could be made redundant in the next few years as their employers begin to use current technologies to speed up processes and minimize operational costs. And it's happening now. Cali Burger is already testing on automated workforce with a drive-on burger flipping kitchen assistants. 4. Mail carrier. While there will still be the needs for carriers to deliver parcels, things don't look good for the traditional mail carriers delivering letters. This is mainly because the things that they deliver won't exist in next 20 years, with bill and statement being viewed and paid online, junk mail moving from your letterbox to your email box, and the writing of letters long since a dying art. Despite these, companies still frustratingly ask you for a utility bill as proof of address, even though most utility companies abandoned paper statements long ago. The number 5 is bank teller. While bank won't disappear altogether, many local branches will. This is due to the convenience and user-friendly nature of online and telephone banking, where you can make transactions and manage your account with ease, and all from the comfort of your home. People will still need to consult with the financial advisor and experts, so bank will remain open. There will just be a less of them. Number 6 is textile worker. The dwindling number of employees in the textile industry isn't due to lack of demand for products, but rather how they are made. With machines now able to perform a lot of the manufacturing and production work, there are fewer opportunities for textile workers. On the upside, the move towards semi-automation means that highly skilled specialist operators will be required, albeit in smaller numbers. Number 7 is printing press operators. There has been speculation about the future of the print media industry for some time now, with various publications investing more time and content in their online visions. Additionally, millionaires prefer to get their news from less mainstream source, meaning that the printing industry needs to adopt and evolve or become extinct. This means that print press operators could be facing a significant decline in business. One thing is for sure, though, the age of the print newspaper is coming to an end. Why wait until tomorrow to read about the news when there is an absolute wealth of sources online that offer minute by minute coverage? Number 8 is sports referee, umpire. If you have ever faced a career in sports, perhaps you should think twice about becoming a referee or umpire. Chances are your services won't be required in the future. Football governing body FIFA is relenting to pressure to introduce more technology into game. With goal line technology now a standard and the video assistant referee system being utilized in top European leagues, this follows the example of other sports such as tennis, cricket, and rugby, which have long since been using technology to make real-time decisions during a match. Number 9 is retail jeweler. Although jewelers are not at risk of being replaced by machines yet, their jobs could still be at jeopardy due to changing trends and social behaviors. According to a report by the Jewelers Board of Trade, the jewelry industry shrunk by 4% in 2018, with hundreds of jewelry stores going out of business in the US. It seems that younger generations are less inclined to invest in expensive jewelry, which is bad news for the industry, considering that current generation have less disposable income. Diamonds may not be top of their priority list. Number 10 is dispatcher. At the age of Uber and Lyft, dispatcher roles are becoming increasingly scarce. Indeed, as popular ride-share apps become more mainstream, people no longer need assistance booking their journey through a dispatcher. Instead, companies are beginning to adopt automated taxi dispatch system and booking software that eliminate the need of a human workforce. Plus, all thanks to Google Maps, people can plan travel routes and discover local transportation services with a few screen taps. It's all about from our today video. I hope you people like this. Thanks for watching.